State management is a crucial aspect of front-end development, especially for complex applications. As Flutter continues to gain popularity for crafting beautiful and performant cross-platform apps, the need for robust state management solutions has become increasingly apparent. Flutter Bloc, a powerful and widely adopted state management library, provides an elegant solution to this challenge. It simplifies state management by leveraging a unidirectional data flow, promoting code clarity, testability, and scalability. In essence, Flutter Bloc helps developers build applications that are predictable, maintainable, and easy to reason about. It achieves this by enforcing a clear separation of concerns, where the UI is responsible for presenting the state, and the block handles the business logic and state updates. This approach leads to cleaner code and makes it easier to manage the complexity of state changes in large applications. Flutter Bloc's philosophy aligns well with the reactive programming paradigm, where changes in data streams trigger updates in the user interface. This approach ensures that the UI is always in sync with the underlying data, providing a seamless user experience. The library's simplicity and ease of use have made it a favorite among Flutter developers worldwide. This essay delves into the world of Flutter Bloc, exploring its core concepts, components, and the benefits it brings to Flutter application development. We will examine how it simplifies state management, making your Flutter apps more robust, maintainable, and scalable. At the heart of Flutter Bloc lies a simple yet powerful architecture that revolves around three core components: Bloc, Qubit, and Block Builder. These components work in tandem to manage the application's state and reflect changes in the UI. A block, short for business logic component, acts as the brain of your application's state management. It receives events as input, processes them based on predefined logic, and emits a new state as output. This state is then propagated to the UI, triggering the necessary updates. Qubits, on the other hand, are simplified versions of blocks best suited for managing simpler states where the logic is less complex. Block Builder is a Flutter widget that acts as a bridge between the block and the UI. It listens to state changes emitted by the block and rebuilds its subtree accordingly. This ensures that the UI is always in sync with the latest state managed by the block. Together, these components provide a structured and predictable way to manage your application's state. The unidirectional data flow enforced by Flutter Bloc ensures that the state of your application is updated in a controlled and predictable manner. Events such as user interactions or API responses are dispatched to the block. The block then processes these events and emits a new state based on its internal logic. Finally, the UI reacts to these state changes and updates itself accordingly. This cycle repeats for every state change, ensuring a consistent and maintainable state management system. Adopting Flutter Bloc in your Flutter projects brings numerous advantages, ultimately leading to more robust and maintainable applications. The clear separation of concerns between the UI and business logic is paramount, resulting in cleaner code that is easier to understand, test, and maintain. Testability is significantly enhanced with Flutter Bloc. Since the business logic is decoupled from the UI, you can easily write unit tests for your blocks, ensuring that they function correctly in isolation. This isolation makes it easier to identify and fix bugs, leading to a more stable application. The predictability of Flutter Bloc is another significant advantage. The unidirectional data flow ensures that state updates happen in a controlled manner, making it easy to reason about how your application behaves. This predictability simplifies debugging and reduces the likelihood of unexpected behavior. Furthermore, Flutter Bloc promotes code reusability. Blocks once created can be easily shared and reused across different parts of your application, or even in entirely different projects. This reusability saves development time and effort, allowing you to focus on building new features rather than reinventing the wheel. Flutter Bloc benefits from a vibrant and supportive community, providing ample resources for both beginners and experienced developers. The official Flutter Bloc documentation is comprehensive and well-structured, offering detailed explanations, examples, and best practices. Numerous online resources, including tutorials, articles, and videos, cater to various learning styles and skill levels. The Flutter community is known for its helpfulness, and you can find quick answers and guidance on forums and online communities dedicated to Flutter development. Moreover, Flutter Bloc integrates seamlessly with other popular Flutter packages, such as Flutter hooks and JSON_serializable. further extending its capabilities and making it easier to integrate into your existing projects. This vast ecosystem of resources ensures that you have the support you need to succeed with Flutter Bloc.